reminded us of the deep foundations of the relations between our nations. It has motivated us to reflect on the implications of our shared destiny, encouraged us to do our part to ensure that we find our space in the regional, continental, and global quest for prosperity, and inspire us to proceed with urgent and resolve challenges while exploiting the opportunities before us. I believe that we are now ready to take the next step in making Kenya-Ethiopia partnership a beacon of transformative possibility and a force of good in our region and in our continent. Recalling our discussions and reflecting on the instruments we have developed, as well as the business transacted on our behalf by senior officials at the Commission, there is reason for us to be confident that Kenya and Ethiopia are moving together in the spirit of fraternity, solidarity, and strategic partnership to actualize the immense possibilities that lie before us for peace and security, as well as economic transformation and shared prosperity between our people.
Now, Mutongoria a kiama kia ODM